What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here today. As you can see, we are having big movement here inside Dogecoin. We broke our resistance, but we fell over it very briefly. So yeah, definitely hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely send a donation through the PayPal donation link in the description or the Cash App donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, let's go over this Dogecoin technical analysis. So as you can see here, we were trading sideways in Dogecoin between 24 cents and 25 cents right up until earlier today, and we had this huge uptrend here. So Dogecoin has actually been pretty sideways for like the past few weeks, just trading sideways, not wanting to really go anywhere else but sideways. But as you can see here, we actually broke out on this resistance here at 26.50. So that actually was our supply and demand area. Actually, the red area here shows that we have less demand for Dogecoin, around 27 cents. And then the green area here shows that we have more demand, around 25 cents. And then a little bit more demand here at 26 cents. So right now, it could actually end up going back into an uptrend, and we could actually end up breaking out of this next resistance line that we previously broke out at. Now, it was a little bit oversold. That's why I definitely believe we're probably about to go bullish here. And as you can see here, with the oscillator is showing the oversold symbol. And then now we're actually starting to have some positive growth inside Dogecoin. Over here, you can see the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 100%. So the bulls are literally 100% controlling Dogecoin right now. That's actually pretty big, because what we have here with this article, this is going to put everything into perspective for you. So Dogecoin price prediction. Doge posed for 64% breakout if this key level breaks. So Dogecoin price looks ready for a 64% climb as it is moving higher towards the upper boundary of the symmetrical triangle pattern. A break above 26.9 could put the bullish target of 43.5 on the radar. So 43 cents is what we're heading to. They're saying if we break 26.9, pretty much 27 cents. Now over here, Doge may discover a strong foothold at 24.2 if selling pressure spikes. So yeah, they're saying if we sell out here with Dogecoin, we're probably going to have a strong foothold here, meaning that we're going to have some strong support, and that's where our support line is set. So if we get rejected again at this resistance, we're going to end up going back down to this 24.50 support that we have set up here. Now, so Dogecoin price to clear one last barrier. Dogecoin price has formed a symmetrical triangle. While Doge consolidates, the token is supported by a few significant technical indicators suggesting that the token is posed to aim higher. So the prevailing chart pattern suggests a 64% climb for Dogecoin price if the token manages to slice above the upper boundary of the technical pattern at 26.9 before the bulls can anticipate a bull run towards the optimistic target. Doge would need to conquer the nearest 50% Fibonacci retracement level at 25.5. So right now you can see that we're at 26.07. We've already conquered that. All we got to do is break this next resistance leading us up to 27 cents. Then we're 100% bullish. Even though it does say the 24-hour market control is 100% bullish, we still need to break 27 cents again, so then we can stay on the positive trend line. Now, over here, you can see if a spike in buying pressure occurs and Dogecoin breaks above 27 cents, Doge would be met with another obstacle at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, which is this next level here around 28.50. So they're saying if we break 27 cents, we're going to get stopped at 26 or at 28.50 before we actually decide to break out there. Now over here, you can see that additional hurdles may emerge at the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement level, which will be around 31 cents. And then eventually around 35 cents, we'll also have some more resistance. And then that is where we're going to pretty much be met at the 43.5 area. Now, if you see over here, that's pretty much everything they're talking about here. And the 64% climb actually may happen. We just got to break out of these resistance levels, because that's the only thing that's rejecting us right now. So given that Dogecoin price is still trapped in a consolidation pattern, Doge could still oscillate within the governing technical pattern until it decides to move toward the upside. So yeah, it's still consolidating. Even though we had a little jump inside price action, Doge is still consolidating here. But they're pretty much saying we could still end up having some more upside here. So accompanied by a surge in buy orders is what could actually send us all the way up. We just need some more volume here. And as you can see here, the oscillator is showing that we are getting more buying here with Dogecoin. And that thing that actually shot us all the way up there to 27 cents is this right here. We got rejected at the 27 cents area, but still we had a lot of purchases coming through, and I'm going to show you that just in a second. So over here we have some more stuff over here. Now, adding credit to the strength of the support level into the blocks in and out of the money around the price, indicating that the 80,000 addresses that purchased 14.73 billion Doge. They purchased it around 24 cents. So there's high demand there. Over here, you can see our supply and demand areas with Dogecoin. The green areas show that we have lots of demand for Dogecoin. Red areas show that there's not as much demand. So if Dogecoin were to reach 22 cents, a lot of people would want to pick up some Dogecoins. There's a lot of demand for Dogecoin at 22 cents. There's also a good amount of demand for Dogecoin at 25 cents, as well as 24 cents here, because there's a really dim green one over here. And then over here, with the red areas, is showing that we have less demand at 27 cents, which is minor because you can see how small it is compared to the ones down here. So let's move on here. Additional lines of defense will appear at the 20-day and 50-day SMA, which sits at the 23.8 level before dropping lower towards 38.2% from last year's shipment level. So if we break 23 cents, we're going to end up going down to 21 cents is what they're saying. Because as you can see here, it does show that we have lots of demand for Dogecoin, but that's a big if. That's why they're saying if we break 23 cents, then we'll hit that 21 cent support. But like I said, we have lots of demand for Dogecoin at this area, so we're probably never going to go below 23 cents anytime soon. Anyways, let's move on to the next thing here at Dogecoin. Dogecoin price forecast. Doge is expected to break out and rally soon. Everyone pretty much has the same technical analysis, so I'm going to go over it very briefly. So some analysts predict that Doge may actually reach 26.9, which it already did, and then it got rejected, but it's at 26.25. All we got to do is try to retest it again, and then it'll eventually lead us on our bullish target of 43.5, which is 43 cents. And then over here, you can see the price analysis. As the sell-off of Doge continues, we could see a strong foothold at the 24.2 area if there is more selling pressure to come. So pretty much we're going to be met at the 24.50 area. They say 24.2. I say 24.50, but either one, whatever one floats your boat, that's where I'm seeing the strong resistance is, or a strong support is, actually. But anyways, down here, we can also see a recent technical analysis on Dogecoin's price suggests that it has the potential to climb 64% upwards. And everyone's got the same technical analysis because it's just showing in the chart, and it's showing, clear as day. So anyways, Doge is expected to see positive growth soon, with its 200 DMA level acting as significant resistance. Nevertheless, the coin has been steadily rising and will continue for the path being. So before the bulls can get excited, those will have to run above 25.5. Obviously, we're already at 26.21 and all that good stuff. So Doge has some big potential here. Now, as you can see, we are in the green for every single time period here at Doge. For the last hour, for the last 24 hours, for the last 7 days. The last 24 hours, 5.5%. Last 7 days, 9.6%. Last 14 days, 5.8%. Last 30, 16%, which isn't really much. Last year, obviously, 9,700. So we have potential here inside Dogecoin. We just got to continue to push upwards, and more people got to continue to get in on Dogecoin. It's got to start trending on Twitter, all that good stuff. Now, like I said, the bulls over here, the bulls are in control by 100% right here. So the market control is being controlled 100% by the bulls. That's why I say that we're probably going to be going bullish here with Dogecoin. As you can see here, today this Dogecoin wallet came in $1.2 billion. And this was probably a transfer, let's be honest. This one is definitely a transfer. But what really matters is what are the actual purchases. So this one was a purchase, $111 million. So 111, that's $111 million. That's a lot of money, and that was purchased today with Dogecoin. 111 million, which was 111.1, and now it's at 111.8. So $700,000 made within a few hours of holding Dogecoin. That's pretty big right there. And we got more Dogecoin whales out here doing the same thing. So yesterday, this Dogecoin whale came in with 49.9 million. Now this Dogecoin whale has 52.3 million. They're literally trading on these patterns that we're talking about here. And as you can see, we're starting to turn a little bit bullish here. It looks like it's trying to break out right there. So we actually might see a little breakout here with Dogecoin coming very soon. Now this whale over here, this whale came in with $44.3 million earlier today. And now their 44.3 million is worth $44.8 million. That's a lot of money right there, like $5 million just like that. I mean, that's a bunch of money, like just to make us out of a few hours. So or $500,000, I mean. So over here, you got this Dogecoin well came in with $41.3 million. Now they're at $41.6 million because they did this earlier. Earlier today at 8 a.m., they came in with 41.3, and now it is 5 p.m. Now they're at 41.6. So you can see what's happening here, like 300K inside of a few hours. I mean, a lot of people are making money off of Dogecoin. The whales are doubling down. That's why I'm showing you what I'm showing you. I'm showing you these trading indicators to let you know Dogecoin is doing some big stuff right now. Now, obviously, if you invest in Dogecoin right now, anything can happen. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. You can invest in Dogecoin and it could tank. You can invest in Bitcoin and the same thing happens. But it's just how things go inside these financial markets with cryptos. So over here, this Dogecoin well came in with 26.3 million, left with 26.9 million. That's pretty big right there. It was about 10 hours. And then over here, you got another Dogecoin well, came in with 16.2 million earlier today. Now they're at 16.3 million. So yeah, there's a bunch of Dogecoin wells doubling down on Dogecoin. The money is starting to flow in. As you can see here on the oscillator, we are definitely looking bullish here on the green with Dogecoin. But yeah, anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. But yeah, if you do like the video, though, definitely hit the like button and subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And also leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.